What is up, guys? I'm running fixture clamps today. I ran 4 on up 1 before I realized I can actually make a video out of it. So we got 2 more to go on operation 1, and then we're gonna finish 6 of them off with operation 2, and then I'll explain you guys how they work, or at least should work. We'll find out if they work once they're on a fixture. I got 4 done, 2 more to go. Right here we're gonna have 3/4 20 bolts. Gonna go in here like so. Countersink is a little bigger and it doesn't go all the way in. I did that for strength. I wanted to leave more material on the clamp. And these 3 holes will take 1032 sharp point set screws. I'll show you what they will do after this clamp is done. After we'll get them done, I'll explain you how they're gonna work. So let's run these. Let's run 2 more. Load this in. Where is mine? There it is. I made a mess cleaning the machine out today. I'll have to clean this up later. Okay. This done. Got to load my file. Dominate. Fixture clamp load G-code. I got a code for up 2. It's not proven yet, so we'll do that together. I know this is running good as I ran it yesterday. I am using flat coolant, so you're only gonna see so much of it. Alrighty, guys, tool number 1, 2.5 inch face mill. Tool number 2, 257 kind of metal drill. Tool number 3, 159 drill for 1032 tap. Tool number 4, 1/4 20 end mill. 2 flute, coated, ZRN I believe. Quarter 20 end mill just finished running, and what it did is it bring the profile of the part, and it did those counter bores for 1/4 20 bolts. Tool number 5, 1/4 inch 2 flute marksman or chamfer mill or mill drill, call it what you want. 6, 1032 tab. Tool number 7, 10,000 step scriber. So while the 6 part is running, let's check if we are in tolerance on these. There really isn't any tolerance. They're supposed to be 3 inches by 1 inch. And they're just clamps. It's not like they're gonna fit anywhere. But these 4 ran yesterday. This is the one that ran today. So we got, what do we got? We got 3.0015, and on the width we got 0.995. Let's check all of them, see if they're consistent. What do we got? 0.999, 3.001, 0.995, 3.0015, 0.995. What do we got? 3.0015. So these 4 ran yesterday. Then I shut down the machine for the night, powered it back down, referenced my axis, and I didn't really check my offsets. But this is what ran today, 0.990. And the length of it is 3.005. So that's pretty good. And that is really rough. So this is why we are running the face mill again at the end of the toolpath. Mission number 2, we're gonna use 3 tools. We're gonna use that face mill, 1/4 inch steel flute end mill, and a chamfer tool, mill drill, marksman tool, chamfering tool, whatever you want to call it. I got a program uploaded, so let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you guys a trick with a 1, 2, 3 block. We have all this leftover material around, and this clamp, my offset is coming off these 2 edges. So how do I pick that up? The way I'm going to do it, you will see in a moment. I'll put my 1, 2, 3 block in, slide it against the stock, clamp it just enough so it doesn't move when I probe it. Here comes the probe. Oh, I hate plugging that thing in. It's hard to reach. So we're gonna pick up our Z first. Then we're gonna pick up our X and Y. These are actually our true X's and Y's. We just have to compensate for our extra height on Z. Okay, let me take you guys. There's my calculator. So it's 1 to 3 block. The block is 1 inch thick. My part is 0.325. So we're gonna take 1 inch minus 0.325 equals. So I need to drop my Z 675 thousandths. And the way I'm gonna do that is I'll go to my Z offset. I'll type in plus 0.675, enter, and that should do it. That will be my Z. Okay, quarter inch end mills next. End mill just ran. Made all of our steps. Time for a chamfer. We got our chamfers done. Let's cut this part loose and see what we got. Alrighty. Chamfers. I like making chamfers. They make look parts way better. And here's our clamp. So the way I'm hoping this clamp is gonna work is... Hold on just a second. Okay, so I got this little tiny 10,000th step right here. Not sure if you can see it, kinda. You can see the edge of it. So I'm hoping, as I'm gonna clamp with quarter 20 bolts right here, that whole clamp. No, God, this is hard. That whole clamp. Come on, zoom in. There we go. Will tip. And these 1032 set screws, their tips will be sticking out on this side, and hopefully they will bite into the material. So I'll know that the material won't be able to move around. So this is what I'm hoping for, but in theory it should work, and in real life we'll find out.